Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done so, please consider. It's all free. First of all, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. Hopefully I'm gonna post another fishing video, but today it's something about mushrooms. Basically, we had a Secret Santa at work and someone I actually found out in the end who it was, bought me a present which involves mushroom, and basically she bought me a kit. And like we have a bag here which it's actually from Urban Farm It, and basically it's a kit for Shiitake or Shiitake mushroom. They're plugs. So basically the principle is you have a log. It actually comes with a log. Some instructions about growing mushrooms on logs. And this log is already pre-drilled with holes. Yeah, you can see there's a hole there. Yeah, there's a hole there. And yeah, and basically we're not waiting till Christmas to do it. We're going to do it today. So basically we're going to inoculate the piece of tree with the plugs, and we grow some shiitake. And so that's gonna be, there will be some follow-on videos and how we're progressing, and hopefully we get some mushrooms fruiting, which can take anything between 6 and 36 months. So there might be a long continuation, but I will keep you in the loop and how it's progressing and if that kit works. So basically it comes with a card somewhere. Yeah. Growing food made easy by Urban Farm at urbanfarmit.com. So if you want to look them up, if you were like interested to grow yourself some mushrooms. And right, and yeah, so basically the dowels are already got mycelium on it, ready to be plugged into the stump, and we're going to open up the stump. My son is going to keep filming when I open up the stump. So a bit closer. Yeah, you can see there's all pre-drilled holes. So we just use a hammer. We just use a little hammer and we're just banging in. And then we're going to use a hot glue gun to seal it in. You can use hot glue or you can use candle wax. This is so there's no interference from the outside, like bacteria and whatever can interfere with incubation. So, okay, we're gonna plug this in a minute, and then we show you how we do it. Right, my son is gonna hammer the first plug in, okay? Is it going in? Yeah, you just have to go a bit harder now, but huh? Okay, break it off then. Okay, well, it didn't go in as well. Okay, it broke off. Okay, what we need. Okay. Right, now we got a few downs in there. Now just use the glue gun. Just to glue a little bit on top. Just to seal it in. There you go. So I'll show you a few and then I'll do the rest. And so you know how it goes. And yeah, that prevents from any bacteria to enter the mycelium. Or I have to drill a little bit higher, deeper. So you get the gist of it. So, and then I'll bring it back when we're finished. Right, so we put the plugs in all the holes. Now I put it into a plastic bag, but I don't close it, just leave it open so humidity stays in there. And just put it in there somewhere in a dark place. It doesn't need sunlight. And let's do a thing. So the plastic bag is also for it to retain moisture, so it doesn't dry out. So let me see how it goes, and we keep you posted. And if you then can see any mycelium usually coming around on the edges here, and then hopefully we will get some mushrooms in the future. Yeah, I hope you found this interesting, and as I say, we keep you posted on the developments and growing your own mushrooms. So that is the first time for me to do shiitake. And thanks for watching, and we will see you later. Bye bye.